Okay, today it's really early in the morning and I'm about to prepare breakfast. And we're gonna do what might be the easiest Catalan recipe, but one of the most famous, and I would say for the effort that you put, the best recipe. You don't need a lot of things. You need good extra virgin olive oil. You need, if you want, some salt. You need tomatoes. These tomatoes that I'm using are a Catalan variety of tomatoes. They are known because you hang them. They're called hanging tomatoes. Basically, you hang them for, I think, as long as that's 6 months. So you know, people, the farmers harvest them in the summer, but then they can be hanged for up to 6 months. They have a really thin skin. I'm gonna open it, and they don't have, well, this one is not really great, but usually they don't have a lot of seeds and they have a lot of meat inside. And I'll show you why is this important. So I'm just gonna open these 2 tomatoes that I've washed previously. I'm gonna put them here. Then here I have some jamón, and then here I have some, this is called longanisa de pagès. It's basically, the translation would be like farmer's salami. I don't think the word longanisa exists in English. And here I just have an garlic clove. And here I bought some bread, fresh bread from our bread store here in the village. This is called pa de pagès. It's also farmer's bread. It's pretty good, this bread, to toast because it has a lot of like holes, and this will make like easier to toast all the way. So I'll put 2 of these in the toaster. And as I said before, I'm using jamón and this kind of like salami. You can use anything with pan tomàquet. You can use cheese. Some people use bread. It's really up to the consumer what they want to do with pan tomàquet. What's important is the most important thing in the pan tomàquet is a really good olive oil and good tomatoes that are juicy. I'll try this. Good. Okay. Yeah. Juicy tomato, good olive oil. In the US, there is pretty good olive oils. In California, particularly, I've tried really good extra virgin olive oil, really fruity flavors. More expensive than what we get here, but still really good. Some people also, instead of using salt, they use the mild salt. Those are like, let me see if I have some here. The crystal salt. There we go. I have some here. This salt has the crystals. Up to you what you use. Let's wait until our bread gets ready, and I'll show you how to do pan tomàquet. All right, we have been toasting our bread. I think it's pretty good now. I got it. Oh, ouch. Okay. So the 2 pieces of bread here. Pretty crunchy. Okay. So we are going to do 2 things here. I'm going to do one without the garlic and one with the garlic. Pretty simple. You get 1/2 of tomato, hold the bread, and massage it with the bread. You want to put with tomato. You want to put all the tomato juice in the bread. Perfect. So I'm so sleepy. I messed up and I made both of them with tomato first. So I'm gonna put this so when my daughter wakes up, she can have it if she wants. And now let's focus on this one. We put the tomato, and now we get really good olive oil, like on top. Okay. And then we're gonna put some salt. I'm gonna get this one. Just a little bit, not a lot. And then we just put the spread on top, whatever we want. And this is it. You have your pan tomàquet with yummiest a la vic. Now, I'm toasting another one so that I can show you what to do with the garlic. But similar thing. Cut the garlic. Remove a little bit of the skin where you've cut. This is toasted already. And here's what you do. First thing that you do, get the garlic, and same like you did with the tomato, but now with the garlic. Massage the garlic on top of the bread. Ooh, hot. Okay, and then the tomato. Smells really good, this garlic. And then the jamón. I'm not gonna put salt on this one because the jamón is pretty salty. Oh boy, I forgot the olive oil. I'm really sleepy. Okay. Olive oil at the very end. So garlic, tomato, and olive oil. Voila! Here we go. We got it. I hope you enjoy. Really simple recipe. I eat it a lot for breakfast. I have cheese. I have sometimes I put anchovies. Really versatile. Enjoy!